Yo, what's up? This is Doc Austin, and today we are going to teach you a step-by-step guide on how to monetize your YouTube channel. So please watch and like my videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. So first of all, we should be familiarized with the requirements of YouTube on how to get monetized. As you can see here, so first of all, we need 1,000 subscribers. And second, we need 4,000 watch hours in order for us to get monetized. And now guys, we are going to click apply now. And now, we are going to see in my screen 3 steps in order to get monetized. Step number 1. Review partner program terms. Step number 2. Sign up for Google Adsense. And the last and third step, get reviewed. Of course, for step number 1, you don't need to read the YouTube partner program terms.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Just click the I accept the YouTube partner program terms, then accept the terms. Easy. As you can see in step 1, you can see the word done. So look at it. So for step 2, for signing up for a Google AdSense account, you may click start. Then there would be a bar here that will ask you if you have an existing Google AdSense account. So for me, I don't have any. So I will click the no, I don't have an existing account. Then we don't need to read this and we should click the continue button. So guys, once you click the continue button, they will direct you to a Google page. So you need to sign in your Google account that is connected to your YouTube account. So once you sign in your Google account, you will see this page and you had to fill up your information to create a Google AdSense account. So for the interest of time, I have already filled up my information in the Google AdSense sign up page. Hee hee ha ha. Hee hee ha ha. Na 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 na. So guys, once you have created an account, they will lead you to this payment address detail page. So guys, for privacy purposes, I have already filled up my information for my Google AdSense account. So step 2 done, and it is already in progress. So after that, YouTube will send you an email to your Google account.
6.5 hours later.
Literally 6 hours later. And now you can see on the step 2 the word done. Now for the next step, we'll just have to wait. After 2 to 3 days of waiting, you will get an email from YouTube. Congratulations! Your YouTube channel, Doc Austin TV, has been accepted into the YouTube Partnership Program and is now able to monetize on YouTube. And now guys, you should open your YouTube account and click on YouTube Studios. Then you should continue clicking on the content bar. And then guys, you should click the tick box video and then the edit button, and you should see the monetization button. So once you press it, you should update your videos and you should remember that it should be on. And then you will see this reminder, just click the tick box and update the videos. And now you will see that YouTube will update your videos. Yay to us! So guys, once the videos are updated, you will see a $sign in the monetization column. Ka-ching! Just kidding, you deserve it. So guys, congratulations if you are watching this video.
When I